Hi guys, today we're gonna do something really awesome because I'm gonna make a background with my painting of a new single that Phasefilter is releasing. He wants me to do it in red, so I made a bunch of red, so let's get right into it. Let's start. First we're gonna do a base of white, like always. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the darkest red I got. Then maybe a little orange, I like that. Some brown. And then I got a bit purple red. And then really red. Let's pour some white around it. Maybe a little bit of gold. Just a touch. Like this a lot. So I think the main thing was here to make the painting in the middle. So if I make a picture of this for the background of the CD or the single, then I could put here the white text with the design over it. Yeah, I think that will be very pretty. Thanks for watching. I'm just covering the sides with more white. I hope you really like my painting. I'm very pleased with it. If you want to see the end results, you can check out my Instagram, of course. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you try my techniques, please tag me. Okay guys, thank you.